Hello, ma'am.
Hello,
Hello,
please,
ma'am.
please come. Please sit.
Hello, ma'am. This is Vibha,
Yeah,
and she is my friend.
yes, you are Vibha and she is Suvarchala.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Actually, she is one of the closest friends of mine.
Okay.
We stay in same apartment.
Where are you from?
We are from Shimoga itself.
Okay.
Our apartment is near Savlanga Road.
Huh.
So we are from here itself.
Yes, Vibha.
And yeah, as I said, she is one of the closest friends of mine.
Okay, nice.
But nowadays, I feel like she is feeling lost. Like I felt like she is having stress, maybe from family and work and all. Nowadays, we have work from home concept.
Okay, okay. So
I-
both of you are working from home
Yeah.
and you are in the same apartment.
Yeah, same
Okay.
apartment.
Yes, Vibha.
And I found that she is struggling with coping up with family and work.
Okay.
So some of my friends suggested to see you and discuss.
Is it?
So we
Okay,
thought
okay,
that
okay,
we'll come
Vibha,
and
nice.
discuss with you.
That's nice. I'm Sandhya Kaveri. So I'm a counselor here. So counseling is a situation where you can just talk to freely. So you need not worry. So you said that she is finding difficult to manage her work as well as the family. Probably you feel that it is making her more stressful, right? Okay, okay. So I want to talk to her in detail. So can I talk to her?
Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Will you stay here only or do you like to go to our library and
Okay, I'll be in library.
yes, that's great. Yes, yes.
Call
You
me
can
if
stay in the library.
Okay.
You can refer some books.
Okay,
The
sure.
journals are there.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Yes,
you.
Vibha. Thank you. So you are Suvarchala, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah.
Suvarchala. You can talk to me freely without any hesitation. You
Yeah.
can talk. Whatever you talk will not go out. Okay. So you feel free to talk. Can you just tell me about yourself in detail, like about your family and about your work, about your studies or the friends, whatever it may be?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, I basically from Chikmagalur.
Okay.
My native is Chikmagalur.
Uh-huh.
We are 4 in our family. My
Okay.
parents and I have one younger brother.
Okay.
So 5 years back I got married and I am staying here in Shimoga now.
Okay.
But I am working in Bangalore.
Ha.
So we were there before because of this COVID situation.
You
we
all
came,
came.
yeah, came
Yes,
back
yes.
to Shimoga and we both are software engineers, me and my husband.
Okay.
So we both have work from home.
Yes.
We are
Now,
staying-
since the lockdown, many of the engineers they got this opportunity
Yeah.
to work from
Yeah.
home, isn't it? So you are also now working from home. So because of that, you are here in Shimoga.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you stay in Bangalore.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
So initially I also thought that it is very good for me. I can work from home.
Oh.
So I can stay with my child. I have one child.
Okay.
She
How
is,
old is she?
2.5 years old.
So your daughter is 2.5
Yeah,
years.
yeah. So
Yes,
I
actually.
thought it's good. I can be with her for some time.
Ha, ha.
But now I am feeling little difficult to manage both the work in home and office work.
Yes, Vachana. So from you, I came to know that you are basically belong to Chikmagalur. After your marriage, you came to Shimoga. Now you are working for a company in Bangalore. Because of this lockdown, you came to Shimoga. So for the counseling purpose, can I take few details of yours?
Yeah.
But it will not be reported anywhere else. It is for our purpose to proceed with the counseling. So
yeah.
few details like your age, education, those details shall I take
Yeah,
down?
yeah, sure.
Yes, yes. Can you please tell more details about you and the family and the problem, whatever you are going on now?
Okay.
Yes.
I am 32 years old.
Yes, okay. Your age is 30.
32
32
years.
now. Okay.
Yeah.
You got married 5 years
5
ago.
years ago.
Okay, okay.
It's 27.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. And both of you are working as software
Software
engineers
engineers, yeah.
for a company.
Yeah.
Which company it is?
It is Accenture.
Okay, Accenture. You are working for Accenture. So you have a child,
Yeah,
She is
2.5 years
2.5 year old.
Here we stay with mother-in-law
Ha.
and father-in-law is
Oh,
also there.
okay, so you are living with the
Yeah,
parent-in-laws. Basically, you belong to a family where where you are both. One is your youngest brother,
Younger brother.
Ha.
He
and
is,
yourself.
Yeah.
Okay.
Myself.
They are in Chikmagalur.
Yeah, they are in Chikmagalur.
Okay. What is your brother doing?
He is studying engineering.
Ha. So he is doing his BE.
Yeah.
Which year, Suvarchala?
Now he is in final year.
Ha,
We
he is
have,
in his
age gap.
Okay. So he is in his final year of
Yeah,
engineering.
yeah.
Okay. Coming to this family, you are living with your parent-in-laws right now,
yeah.
and both of you are working for a company at Bangalore.
Yeah.
Now, because of the lockdown, you are working from home,
Home.
and your daughter is 2.5 years,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. Okay. Now you can tell me other details related to your problem, and since how long you are facing these problems, and what kind of problem.
Yeah.
In detail, can you just
Oh,
narrate me?
Yeah.
Yes.
In Bangalore, we were living together,
Huh.
like me and my husband.
Huh.
When my daughter was born,
Huh.
at that time, some 6 months, my mother was there with me.
Okay,
Only
okay.
1 month, 2 months I got leave.
Huh.
After that, I want to go to home work. So
Huh.
my mother was there with me till 6 months,
Huh.
and then my mother-in-law has come.
Okay.
And she was there
Okay.
with us. At that time, my child used to be with her when I go to office and
Huh,
all.
huh.
So I had work
Okay.
timings are there
Okay.
from 10 to 6 my timing.
Huh.
But I used to come back nearly by 7.
Huh.
So at that time, after that, I used to be with my child.
Okay. So when you were in Bangalore, you were working from 10 to 6. Usually you used to reach home at around 7. But there was no much problem, even though your daughter was small, because for about 6 months your mother was there. Later your mother-in-law took care of your child. Okay. Yes, Suvarchala.
So there was nothing problem with that.
Huh.
And she also, my child also used to that. So she got
adjusted. Okay.
But now, in the month of May, we came back to here, Shimoga, with family. So now my work is from 10 to 6 itself. But in between, sometimes if I get gap and all, so it may go up to 7, sometimes up to 8. Because
Okay.
you are in home, anytime you can work. So they will give work a little bit
Okay.
more.
More work.
Yeah.
Okay. Huh.
So
your working time has increased,
Yeah.
even though it is working from home, because whenever you take some gap, they add up the work,
Yeah.
or they give you the more work, thinking that you are at home and you can do, isn't it?
Yeah.
So from the company side, from your job side, you are getting more work than going to the office or going to company and working. Okay. Yes,
And
Suvarchala.
my child, she is only 2.5 years old. She can't understand that though I'm in home, I am working.
Huh.
So she'll come in between to the room.
So you mean earlier she used to be with your mother or the mother-in-law when you are in office, but now she is looking around you only, and then she demands you to be
Yeah.
there for her. Okay.
So that is the problem mainly. And even my husband is having night shift.
Okay.
So whole day I will be working, and in the night he is working. So we can't be with together on the weekdays. Only Saturdays and Sundays we will get time to talk to each other and all.
So okay,
that is
so you are not finding much time to spend each other or
Yeah,
talk to each
yeah.
other, which is making you more difficult. Okay. Yes. So you said that at home now, because of working from home, you are finding difficult, especially the working hour is more. And another important thing is that you are not getting much time with your husband, as he is having night duty or night shift. Okay. How about others, Suvarchala?
Mother-in-law, she is okay, ma'am. She is supportive, but now I have to do both kitchen work and also I have to do.
Okay.
So she is also having little health issues and all. So I have to manage.
Okay.
So that is a full day I want to sit in front of laptop. So I'm feeling like stressed.
Okay. So one side your work has become more. Another side, as you are now with the parent-in-laws, Even though your mother-in-law is supportive, you have some work at kitchen, which is again you're finding it difficult to manage. Okay, okay. How do you feel about all these things now?
For that, sometimes I like quitting the job, but my husband he is supportive, but sometimes he wants money. He wants to earn more money.
Okay,
So
okay.
it's difficult for me to quit the job also. So like I think.
So you said that your parent-in-laws, especially the mother-in-law, is supportive, but at the same time, like you have to do some work at home in the kitchen, and your husband is working. At the same time, you sometimes because of all this difficulty, you feel like quitting the job.
Yeah.
When you discuss this with your husband, he is not agreeing.
Yeah,
Okay.
he's not agreeing.
He says that it is time to earn and you
Yeah.
have to earn. Okay, okay, okay. Yes.
So I'm feeling nothing. I don't want to eat anything. Sometimes many sleepless nights I have. So
Okay, okay.
I don't know what to do.
Are there any other issues related to this, Suvarchala? So far you told that you're finding difficult to manage your work and the family.
Yeah.
At the same time, sometimes you feel like quitting the job, but your husband is not allowing, he's not agreeing that. So you continue to work. You're not able to talk to your husband freely because he works at night.
Yeah.
So any other issues in relation to this where you find it difficult to talk to each other or you fight each other with these issues? Anything is happening which is bothering you?
Yeah. Sometimes, when I was working in the morning, he can spend his time with child, so that I can work freely. But he always goes out with his friends and all. So
Okay.
he will not give time to child also.
Okay. So during daytime also he is not available much for you or to the child. Okay. Yes.
So I have to look after everything for
Huh.
the child.
Okay.
So that is the main thing. He is not understanding my feelings. And all. I feel like that.
Okay, okay. So as he is not understanding, you feel even stressed, is
Yeah.
it? Okay.
Ours is arranged marriage,
Huh.
so we couldn't spend much time before the marriage. We couldn't understand both of
Each
us.
other.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
So I feel like that might be the problem.
Huh.
Now we are facing that problem.
Okay, so you feel that as it was arranged marriage, you could not understand each other and you could not discuss many of your issues or the interest, etc.
Yeah.
So you are feeling that that must be the reason for all these differences. So both of you are finding difficult because of the differences which you have. Yes, yes, yes. So what are all the difficulties you are facing because of all these things within yourself is mainly because of the difference which you could not share each other, is that?
Yeah,
Okay.
that is also the one problem.
Huh.
And also from the work side, from the company side also.
Huh. Work is more.
Work is more.
Okay, so
both
there are two
are
reasons you
together,
say.
yeah.
Huh, huh. What about your parents? Do they know this and did they tell anything about this?
No, ma'am, I haven't told to them because they feel sad.
Okay, okay.
And even they are aged,
Huh.
so they can't come here now in this situation.
Okay, okay.
So I haven't informed them.
Okay,
anything.
correct. So you feel that they also start
Yeah,
worrying, that
yeah.
is why you need not discuss this. Okay. Are there any incidences which happened because of all these things recently which hurt you or which bothered you, which made you more difficulty in handling this?
No, ma'am. We fight each other.
Huh.
Other than that, nothing.
Okay, okay, okay.
Even mother-in-law is also not much aware of this, our fights and all. She is not much aware because she is also facing some problems. Health
Okay,
problems.
so you said that she has some health
Yeah,
issues, so she is also not aware of this. Okay. Did you tell about all these things, your concerns about the taking care of the child and your difficulty in managing these two tasks with your husband?
Yeah, I tried to tell ma'am this
Okay.
also, but he is not much concerned about me.
Huh. So he is not understanding
yeah,
much
he's
about
not
this.
understanding. He's like workaholic.
Okay, okay.
So he's not bothering about my problem.
Yes, Suvarchala. So, Suvarchala, you told that you basically hail from Chikmagalur and now you got married to a person from Shimoga. Both of you are software engineers, and working for a company. Now, because of the lockdown, you are here in Shimoga and working from home. The problem is managing the two things. One is work from the company, which has increased nowadays, and you are finding it difficult to manage that more work. And another thing, as you are working at home, you have to manage certain tasks at home, like your daughter and your kitchen works. Meanwhile, you are finding difficult to concentrate on your work. Another important issue which you discussed is about your husband, who is working most of the times at night, and you are not getting time to speak to him, discuss with him. So the differences are more where you are not able to share with him or making him to understand what difficulty you are facing. So because of all these things, you are finding difficult to have good sleep at night, you are finding difficult to concentrate in your work, you feel stressed. At the same time, sometimes you also worry about your relationship, especially with your husband, because you feel that he is not understanding much, isn't it? Okay. So I think as mainly you are facing these difficulties, both of you need to talk to and would find some solution for this, isn't it? Have you tried to manage your stress in any other way? Like have you practiced any kind of exercise or yoga, or do you have any other interest with which you can manage your stress, Suvarchala?
Yeah, ma'am. I tried to do yoga and all, but I will not get much time to do it because servant is also not coming nowadays. So all the household work, cleaning and all I have to do.
Okay.
So I am not getting time.
So even though you learnt yoga, you are not able to practice. Okay.
I used to listen to music during work and all that.
Okay. What about friends?
Yeah, friends, I have very less number of friends. So the friend which I
Vibha, who came with you. Okay.
Yeah. Sometimes I used to talk to her and I ventilate my feelings with her.
Okay. Would you like to discuss all these things along with your husband in the next session? Can you bring him for counseling?
Yes, ma'am. I will try to bring him because I
That's
haven't
correct.
informed him
Okay.
when I am coming to
Okay. That's better.
So
I think.
try to inform and I will.
Yes. So as you discussed, you are finding it difficult to manage both the work, your household tasks and your company work. Probably we can find some solution when both of you are able to discuss and sort out some solution for this.
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
When can you come back and when can you inform and bring him here?
Next week, by Wednesday, can we come?
That's correct. I will also check my diary and see.
Okay.
Yes, definitely.
Okay.
Next Wednesday we
At what
can
time?
plan. Which is your convenient time, Suvarchala?
Is it okay, ma'am, after 6:30?
In the evening, is
Yeah,
it?
evening.
6:30 would be a little difficult for me because our office time is from 10 to 5.
Okay.
Do you have any other week off days other than Wednesday or any other week
Saturdays,
off?
Sundays we have some program. It's okay, ma'am. Wednesday I'll come.
Is that okay?
I'll take
Yeah.
leave and I'll come.
Okay. Probably for the next other sessions, let us plan for some convenient days for you.
Yeah.
So this time, if you can come on Wednesday before 5, I think it will be more helpful.
Sure.
Is that okay?
Okay. Sure.
Can you just call Vibha?
Yeah, okay.
Yes. Did you have some time at library?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. So I spoke to Suvarchala, your friend. So I feel that yes, she is under stress because of managing the company work and household, and the daughter is also too small, no? So she is not understanding properly that a mother is at the office work. Probably all these things are bothering her. So I thought we'll proceed with counseling with her husband too. So if both of them can come, we can just discuss more and we can help her out. Is that okay? Yeah.
Sure.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you
Yes.
so much.
Thank you.